Good morning, everybody. It's Christopher Travels. How you doing? I am great this morning. Last night I wasn't so great. Um, so I gotta show you the sunrise real quick, though. Let me get my little boots on. My big boots on. Sorry. Because it's so beautiful. I'm trying to get out there. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I gotta turn my water off. It was dark when I woke up, so I decided not to use my coffee maker. Because, sun on solar panel equals energy and batteries, and there was no sun, so let me show you. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I see the bunny. You see it? There it is. Anyway, let me show you a new. Look. They dug a hole right in front of my door. What's this? It's a moth. Okay, so basically, let me show you. You see the ground there? That's wet. Oh, by the way, let me turn this off. Okay, so what happened was, what had happened, so I went to take a shower last night, and let's see if you can see. Oh, there it is. Nope, you can't see. Anyway, there's a coil in there. I realized this thing was poked out the other day, and I was like, what the heck? And I don't see anything on the outside, and it was not like that when I put it up. So this was basically hit from the inside, and I was like, that is just so weird. I had no idea what in the world could have done that. But anyway, last night when I went to go take a shower, there was no water coming inside, and I was like, that is just so weird. So I went outside, and it was just gushing everywhere, and I'm like, oh man. So I sent a message to the seller on eBay, and when I woke up, there was a message saying they'd send me out another one, no need to return this one. I'm like, oh, hallelujah, thank you. So, anyway, that's great. I am having a great morning so far. Oh man, look at these clouds up there. That is so weird. Anyway, it's going to be absolutely beautiful this next week. It's going to be in the 70s and in the 40s at night. Yes. I got my little bunny still over there. Bye, bunny. Actually, I think my bunny, that bunny lives in here. I've been putting some water out. So, anyway, it's so beautiful here. We have a visitor, Mummy and Clyde. We have a visitor, our friend Bear. There's his rig there. Man, that thing's huge. I think that's as big as the barn. Anyway, so today is Saturday. I'm just gonna upload this morning. I go to work today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, and then I'll be off to on the road for like a week. So anyway, and while we are gone, we have people coming by often to check on all of our stuff, and even like stay here in their rig just to watch over our stuff. So yeah, so I feel good about things. Anyway, I'm just blabbing, but I just wanted to say hello to everybody, and that the shower, gosh, the shower messed up again, but otherwise everything else is great. Gosh, that sunrise is beautiful. You probably can't see me. Anyway, I hear the geese over there. Not geese. What the heck am I talking about? The sandhill cranes. There they go. Oh, they just moved over. Oh no, they lifted off a little bit. Huh. Anyway. I need to make more videos for you guys. Let me go inside. Anyway. Okay, so let me show you real quick since you're watching. Hopefully you're watching. So I woke up, it was 54 in here. Now it's 66. And it's 37 outside. So it warmed up pretty nice in here. What I do is I run my heater, my buddy heater, and I run that for a few minutes, and then I turn on my ceiling fan, and it pushes all that down, and it makes it nice and toasty in here. So anyway, I gotta make some more coffee. So I'll let you go, and I'll start uploading this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me on this journey. So I will be seeing you soon. Live life to the fullest. Bye.